What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're here with Steve at McBride Racing, and you guys got to check this car out. We have here is a resto mod Gen 1 Mustang coupe 1966 with a coyote swap.
My customer coyote swapped it for theirs, and I'm just doing the cold side because nobody makes a Supercharger kit to put a coyote in one of these. So
they did the swap. We're doing the piping.
Okay, so local guy here did the swap, and McBride Racing's here doing all the piping and plumbing for the Supercharger kit that's sitting here on the Coyote. So pretty cool to see a 66, you know, a Gen 1 Mustang in, you know, with a new power plant in it. I'm not real sure what they're running as far as suspension is concerned, but we're definitely going to take a peek real quick, short video on what they got going on down here with the K member and suspension. Really nice setup, really clean car. Looks like somebody put a lot of time and effort into this. Looks like it's a stick shift car too. Real nice car.
We mounted it. We just, like I said, we're just making all the piping work.
Okay. This is a really nice piece of work right here, this Mustang. It caught my eye on the last video, as you guys seen, or will see. I absolutely love this car. And I just wanted to kind of bring it to the channel. I mean, there's a lot of customization here. Well, you see the suspension in the back? That looks hot.
Yeah.
This looks awesome.
Yeah, I think most of it is, these have a lot of stuff that you can bolt right in.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, so I think it's a minimal fabrication effort to bolt in the rear fore link, and then same with the Coyote cross member.
Right.
You just gotta cut the
Wow, this is really nice. Looks like that's a TKX transmission. Yeah, definitely looks like a TKX transmission with a quick time belt. So it's gonna be a stick shift Coyote Supercharged 66 Mustang. Really nice. Look how clean this thing is. So guys, I'm telling you what, man, short video. I wanted to actually show you guys out. You guys know I was over here at McBride Racing getting my my cage and my white car updated, and they were tasked to finish the piping and the fabrication on the Coyote swap with the Supercharger. So I super appreciate him allowing me to go ahead and video this and show you this on the channel. This is definitely something that would catch my eye at a car show or an event, regardless, like Mustang Week, etc. So really cool. I wanted to show you guys. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the channel. But there you have it, man. Old school meets new school. And it's boosted. That thing's gonna fly, bro.
yeah.
See you guys soon in the next video.